What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is GG Kicks, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys another review. We're going to be taking a closer look at the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royale that just released. This shoe is pretty dope. The blue is way better in person, but we're going to take a closer look at the shoe in a moment. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button because it helps me out so much, and hit that sub button if you guys enjoy the content. Now let's take a closer look to the shoe. We got the Air Jordan 14 retro tag here, retailing for $190, size 8, white, black, and that Hyper Royale. We're still waiting on those Hyper Royals that are coming out for the Air Jordan 13s this holiday season. All right, so here's a closer look at the shoe. We got that nice Air Jordan 14 silhouette with this nice Hyper Royale color. This color is actually more glossy than the normal Royale color. Kind of gives you those candy cane 14 vibes, if you guys remember those from a while ago. It was basically red, and it was also this nice shiny color. So the Jordan 14 actually took inspirations from the Ferrari. That was MJ's favorite car at the time. As you guys can see the logo and the similarities, the carbon fiber. All around the shoes is just Ferrari vibes. It's one thing I never liked about the 14s is the tongue. It's just weird, small. Has Jordan written on the top, 14 written in the back in Roman numerals. Here's your size tag. Blue insole. The laces are dope, I'm not gonna lie. People were saying that the Jordan brand did have trouble making these. These were supposed to be literally almost everywhere, just like the Air Jordan 13 Lucky Greens that came out. But there was problems with the manufacturing, so I guess they had to return a lot of pairs, or they're gonna sell them at discounted prices at the Nike outlets. This is probably gonna be one of those shoes that pops up because of the errors that was made manufacturing these. So not a lot of stock actually got put out into stores. We're gonna be taking a look at it under a black light in a few moments. So here's the outsole, regular Jordan 14 outsole, carbon fiber in the middle, blue Jumpman. 14 in the circle pod. Upper has that nice tumbled leather, and then this smooth leather on the toe box with the Jumpman. Smooth leather, tumbled leather again. Got this nice blue. It's kind of like suede right there. So right now I'm going to be testing it under the black light. If I turn it on, you guys can see right there, straight off the bat, there's some gluing messed up. This is obviously a retail pair. We don't do the fugazis out here. So yeah, this is from Jordan brand. These are the mistakes that they made on this shoe. I'm guessing the ones that are going to be at the outlet, there's going to be a lot more that didn't pass quality control. With the gluing, because that's one of the main issues that they had. Bottom looks good. Take a look at the other pair. The gluing is not as bad on this one. Almost flawless. There's always going to be some flaws. Every shoe comes with a factory flaw. You can't expect them to get it perfectly because you guys got to remember these are handmade. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on these shoes. I give these an 8 out of 10. 14s aren't really my favorite. The Toro colorway was really nice though. These give me the candy cane vibes, just in the blue vibes. These are a very clean shoe, a summer shoe. I don't know why it came out at the end of the summer, but they did have production issues as I talked about earlier. So as always guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit that like button and that sub button. It really helps me out. I appreciate it.